What's up, everybody? Welcome back to this channel, Gamer RBX. What's up? I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to stream on iOS devices. It is real easy. So you're gonna want to get this is iOS 11 and up. This only works on iOS 11 and up. You want to go to your App Store, search up DU Recorder. Once you search it up, you go on this first option. It should be made. Yep, you download it, and after you downloaded it, you quickly. Oh yeah, guys, sorry if my screen is portrait because for this video it has to be. Sorry about that, because on this app you can't go landscape. It's annoying. So every time, so once you go on, say you want to live stream to Twitch, you click on it, live stream to Twitch, you go log in, and you log into your Twitch account. Right now I live stream to YouTube, so like say you live stream to YouTube, you log into your YouTube channel, it should show this. You select the game you want to play, you can search it up, or if it's already there, you just select it, like Fortnite, you can select it. You can change your title to anything, your description, and yeah, that's all. So, yeah, and you can click on start live streaming, and it shows you how to live stream. So what you want to do is look from the bottom, you swipe up and you go into this control center. Look at this circle. If you have this circle, like the recording button, you hold it down, you don't just click it, and there should be DU recorder there. You click on it, then right here where it says stop recording, it should say start broadcasting, and once you click on it, it will start broadcasting, and then it will send you a notification on DU recorder. It will say you have started streaming, and then it will say tap to see the chat, and then once you do that, you open it and it will show you the chat. And yeah, like you can turn the notifications on for the chat if someone chats, if you want to do that. And if you open this and you don't have the recording button, it can easily be added if you have iOS 11 and plus. You go on your settings, go in control center, go in customize controls, and screen recording. See this screen recording thing? See this? I'm not gonna remove it, but it should be at the bottom here, more controls. You just click on the plus and you can add anything else. Yeah, and once you add it, like say I open like Apple TV, add Apple TV remote. See now on the top right, it's the TV remote, but I don't want that. So that's how it's done. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and peace.